88, 84, 88, yeah, 46, sorry, 46, yeah, 46. Under 46 it is 88, 93, 88, 93. And sixth mean difference is 7. No, yes, 7. Sixth mean difference is, it was 88, 84, 88, 93. Okay, that is 88, 93. And then we have taken here, mean difference is 60 here. Is it 5 or 6? 6, sorry, 5. It is 5 mean difference of 6. That's the value. Okay, so I mean, if there is misprinting, because this log table is not so much clear, and misprinting is there, so maybe it's a mistake. But we have to just see the process of this, how to find log and put the value. So mean difference is added up. This is these two values are. This is 1.4624 minus 2.0047. We have added 4 plus 3, 7, 7, minus 1 bar. 1 bar means, but to put this value 0.0, this 1 bar means we have put the 0 after the decimal point, 0 something. That is 88, okay, this is 8898. 0.0 is value. Now let me sub these two values are negative values, so adding them. It is 1.4624 minus, it is 8, 9 plus 7, 16, 6, 1 carry, 8 plus 4, yeah, 8 plus 4, 12, 1, 13, 3, 1 carry, 8 plus 0 and 1, 9, 0 here, 1, 0, only 0, this is 2 here, 2.09. Now let me subtract, this is negative value now, negative subtracting this 1.4624 on this. Okay, leave 6 8 1, the fifth digit. 6 minus 4 is 2, okay. 3 minus 2 is 1, then 9 minus 6 is 3, and 10 minus 4 is 6. With 0.6 minus, difference comes out to be negative value. Let me put here, the difference is minus 0.6312. okay, so this is the value of, now making this positive matrix of we require minus 1 plus 1, we subtract 1 plus f plus 1, and this is minus 0.63, just to make this negative matrix of positive. It will give us 1.000, subtracting from 1, positive 1 is 6312. So it will give us 8, okay, again 8, 10 minus 2, 8, 10 minus 2, 8, and this is 4, so this is 6 here, 7, this is 3 here, 0.3, 0.3, this is 1 bar, 0.3688. Now anti-log, so anti-log of this is log of 10 is 1 bar, 0.3688. Now anti-log of this will give us the value. So therefore log 10 of b minus c by 2 equal to this. Therefore 10 of b minus c by 2 equal to anti-log of 1 bar 0.3688. Now taking the anti-log of 0.3688, 0.36, anti-log of 0.36, 100.36, 35, 36, yeah, 36, and the column is 8th column is 23, 33, The 23, 32. The 36, yeah. 23, 33. It is 23, 33. 23 under 36. Under point 36. Point 30. Sorry, point 36. It is 23, 33. Exactly. Then common difference of 8. Common difference of 8 is 4 or 5. Is 4 only. 4 difference is 7, 3, 3, 23, this, and 0.6, 0.23, 37. Again, convert this into degrees. Let me change it into degrees. So it will give us 20 logarithm right here. So finally, we have obtained 0.2337. Now to get in degrees, therefore b minus c by 2 is equal to 0.2337 into 45 degrees. 45 degrees is equal to 1. Therefore, this value is equal to how many? How much? So, let me get in decimal values. 5, 7, 35, 5, 3 carry, 5, 3, 15 and 3, 15 and 3, 18, or 15, 3, 18, yeah. 18, 8, 1 carry, 5, 3, 15, 1, 16, 6, 1 carry. Then 5 to 10 and 1 12, or 10 and 1 11. Sorry, 10 and 1 11. Okay, then by 4, 4, 7, 28, 8, 2 carry. 4, 3, 12 and 2, 14, 1 carry. 4, 3, 12, 1, 13, 3, 1 carry. 4, 8 and 1, 9. Okay, this is the value by 4. Alright, so that was 5 to 10 1. Alright, 5, 8, 8, 16, 6, 1 carry. 6 plus 4, 10 and 1, 11, 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4 and 1, 5 and 10. 10 degree. It gives us difference of this gives us. Let me write here. It gives us 10 degrees. Right, and if I multiply this by 6, it is 0, 6, 1, the 6 is for the 30. So 30 degree. In 11 minutes, if I subtract is 30 here, 30 minutes here. It is 30 minutes. So 10 degree, 30 minutes. Therefore, B minus C is equal to 20 means 21. It is 21 degree only. Why? Because it is 230 into 60, 60 minutes is 1 degree, and 20 and 121. So B minus C is equal to 21. Let me write here. Here B minus C is equal to 21 degrees. Therefore, adding these two. So on addition, we get here, this is second equation that we take. Adding these two, we get B, C cancel out, this is twice B is equal to 9 degree, okay, 550, 159 degree. Alright, so therefore B is equal to, dividing it will give us some 14. 7, 19, 2, 9, 18, and 30 minutes. Okay, so this is 79 degree, 30 minutes. Because one is left, 1 upon 2 is 30 minutes. Okay, 60 or 30 minutes. B, angle B is 79 degree, 30 minutes. What is angle C? So B plus C, since B plus C is 138 degrees, therefore C is equal to 138 degrees minus angle B, 138 degrees minus 79 degrees, 30 minutes. This can be written as 137 degrees, 60 minutes, and this 79 degrees, 30 minutes subtracting is 30 minutes difference. 17 minus 9 is 8. One carry 8, 13 minus 8 is 5. 58 degree, 30 minutes. So angle C is there. This is angle C. Angle B and C are calculated. Let me write here. Oh, okay, angle B is 79 degree, 30 minutes, and angle C is this. Angle B was 79 degree, 30 minutes, and angle C is, this is angle B, angle C is 58 degree, 30 minutes. Okay, this B and C angles are calculated. Now one side is left. This is the side A. Okay, so let us take that side A. Therefore, we know that A upon sine A is equal to C upon sine C. C is C upon sine C. This is capital C here, angle C here, the side C. A, we have to calculate A upon sine A. Sine A means 42 degree is equal to C here. C is 72 divided by sine C. Sine C is 58 degree, 30 minutes. Angle C is, therefore A is equal to that. So now let us, these two values are calculated. Only this A is to be now calculated. What is A is equal to? Therefore A is equal to 72 into sine 42 degree divided by sine 58 degree, 30 minutes. Now this is taking log, then take anti-log, so A will be calculated. Or if I just put the value of what is sine 42 degree and 92 degree is that value. Now if we are known what is sine 42 degree, what is sine 58 degree, 30 minutes, that can be done easily then. So now we know that sine 90 degree is, so this is sine 42 degree, 58 degree, which is 42 degree. If I just convert that to 42 upon 90, okay, that will give us some decimal values. So I'm just calculating because sine 90 is 1. Okay, so 42 therefore divided by 90, this will be converted into decimal values. This is 1 here, now dividing by 9, so it is 0.963, sorry, 9 5 the 40, okay, 9 4 the 36, 9 4 the 36, 6 36 to 4 to 6 is left 60, 9 8 this 9 6 is 54, 9 6 is 54, okay, then 6 again left is 6 6, which is okay, not 666 because 66 6 is again left, 9 6 is 54. Okay, so this is 0.46 like this, which is 72. If I just convert this into 72 into this value, okay, 72 upon 72, sorry, 0.466 divided by, now sine 58 degree, 30 minutes, what the value of this? That value is to be again 58 degree, 30 minutes. 58 degree, 30 minutes divided by 90. If I just convert that into decimal points, that decimal point will be here. Okay, so in that way we can calculate the values. So A can be then calculated, or take log of both sides. But log sine 42 to 42 degree is to be known to us from sine table. Sine table is not with me, so I'm sorry to say that. That can be then calculated. So taking log also we can calculate this. A is equal to, and take anti-log, log of A is equal to log of this plus log of this upon minus log of this. Okay, so then calculate the values of these log. Put the values and log of 72 minus that 72 plus log of sine 42 divided by log of, sorry, minus sine minus log of sine 58 degree 30 minutes. But if we are known what the value of sine 42, the value of sine 58 degree 30 minutes, then we have to divide it. So this is 58 30 minutes. Okay, so 58.9, that value will be, let me cancel out, this is 0.5, 0.8, 58.5 it was. Okay, so it is 5.85. 5.85 divided by 9. It will be what? 9, yeah, 9 8 9 6 54. 9 6 54, yeah. 4 40, 9 4 36, 9 4 36, again 4, 9 4 36, 9 4 36, 9 4 36, yeah, 4 4. That is 9 4 36, 4 4 is coming. This is the point value. So in this way we can calculate the value. I'm just calculating that how this value is simply calculated. Now there is a 4 4 in the ending. If I by 4, if I subtract this by divide, I mean 4 1 is 4, 4 is 32. Okay, and this is 4 1 is 4, then 2 is left, 24, 4 6 is 24, and 4 1 is 4, 1 6 6 1 1, 18 into 46, 18 into 4 6 6 divided by 1 6 1 1. Okay, this value will give us value of A. Just calculate this, please. Numerical value this is. Okay, you can just multiply this by 18, by just calculate it with this. You can calculate this value. This is value of A, hence the solution of the triangle is known. Okay, so this is how. But if we calculate by log and log again, it is another lengthy process. Because of that, I am not doing this. This is simple calculation which we are doing in the same way. By sine formula we have to apply. So this is one of the questions here. So 15th, question 15th we have done. Now let us take question number 16. What is question number 16 says? Let me check. Now question number 16. Okay, now question number 16. Let us do question number 16 now. Question 16 says, in a triangle ABC, B is 16 centimeter, C is 25 centimeter, and B angle is 33 degree 15 minutes. Find the angle C. Okay, so angle C we have to calculate. Let me do this 16th. In a triangle ABC, triangle ABC, B is 16 centimeter, C is 25 centimeter, 25 centimeter. And angle B, now here one of the angles from these two sides is given. Okay, so side B is given, side C is given, and angle B is given to us as 33 degrees 15 minutes. Find angle C. So to find angle C, we have to find out now. Now what is the process here? Now one of the angles of this side is given. Angle B is given to us. Okay, let us take by sine formula solution. Solution here, since here A is not given, so B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C, because C angle is to be calculated. The sin C angle is to be calculated. Therefore, sin C is equal to sin C taken to that side is C into sin B divided by small b. Yeah, this is C. C is here 25 into sin B. B is 33 degree 15 minutes divided by B. What is length? B is 60. Simple. Therefore, sin C is this value. Now, what is value of sin 33 15 minutes? That is to be known to us. Okay. If I take this into point value, so sin 33 degree 15 minutes will be equal to what value? Now, I'm just thinking of sin 30 degree is 1.2. 0.5 something. Okay. 33 degree if I just calculate. So 33 degree 15 minutes. If I divide by 90, that will give us some value. Because 1.2 was of 30 degree. Or we can say that 1.2 is equal to 30 degree, or 0.5 is equal to 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree. 0.5 is equal to. Therefore, now get 100 point value. So, therefore, 1 is equal to 0.5 from 30. 1 is equal to. And therefore, 33 degree, 1 degree is equal to. This 0.5 from 30 into 33 degrees, 33 degree 15 minutes. In this way we can calculate. Okay, so this is 1.60 here. 0.5 means 0.5 from 10. 1.2, 1.60. So by dividing by 60, we can just calculate that what is the actual value of this. Just let me write here. This is 33 degree 15 minutes, 15 by 60 divided by 60. 60 is also there. This means 1.4 and this 40 and 12 and 1 12 and 30 133. 133 upon 4 into 6, that means 4 6 is 24 and 40. Now this value will give us some point values in decimals upon 16 here. Okay, so if I write this in decimals, it will give us 133 divided by 24. We will write here point, but divided by 4 here then. 24 0 point, what is 30, 133. 24, it will give us 2 8 the okay, 2 8 the 16. Sorry, if I do it by 8 times, no, not by 8 times. By 8 to the 16 is more than that. 6 to the 12, no. Then it is 5 times if I do. Okay, 10, okay. 5 for the 20, 10 to 12, yeah, 5 times. 0.5. 0.5 means 5 to the 20, 0 to carry 10 and 2 to the 120. It is 3 here, 30, 130. Again divided by 24. Will give us 120 again. 0.5, 0.55. Again 10, so it will be 100 then. Okay, by 10. 0.55 is okay. Now then by 4 times, for 496 here. Then 4 times. Then the remaining value is 4. Okay, means 40 here, 10, 12, 24, 1 year 24. So 0.5541. Now if I have to calculate this value, let me write here. It is 0.5541. Now let us take anti-log of this. Sorry, log and anti-log. then this value is given us, let's write here. Sin C is 25